Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back. We are now doing the application of Geometry 1, cosine rule, part 2. We are answering question B, which has got sub questions 1 and 2. And we are required to show that if x is equal to 2.4 units, what is theta, and we are required to calculate the area of triangle PQR. So we are doing question B. Let us start with the part 1 of question B. We have already shown that cos theta equals to x squared plus 3 over 4x. Then given that x is equal to 2.4 units, we have cos theta equals to 2.4 units squared plus 3 over 4 times 2.4 units, which is equal to 2.4 squared equals to 5.76. Plus 3 over 2.4 times 4 9.6, and this is equal to 8.76 over 9.6. Therefore, cos theta equals to 8.76 divided by 9.6 equals to 0.9125, and therefore theta is equal to the angle whose cos is 0.9125, and so theta is equal to 24.146,848, which is approximately 24.15 degrees. So when you are dealing with the problems that have got decimal places, don't round off before you get to the final answer. Use the decimal places as they are. If you round off too early, your answer would be too big compared to the real answer. So you just continue with the decimal places that you have, and then you round off at the end. So basically this is the value of the angle theta there. which is the PQR. The value of theta, PQR. So we have gotten the value of theta. Then the question B2. Question B2 requires us to calculate the area of PQR. Triangle PQR. So in most cases, students know that the area of a triangle is half base times height, but sometimes it becomes a hassle for them to identify a height and a base. So in this case, for us to have a height, I'm going to drop a height from P to the base PQ, and I'll drop that height using the red crayon so we can identify it. So that's our height. So the height always meets the base at 90 degrees. So this is H, and we can call that point where the height meets the base, let us call it C, just for reference sake. So then we have constructed a right-angled triangle RCQ to get the height H, which we will use in our calculation of the area. And we know the value of the angle theta. We have already calculated it in the first sub-question of question B. So to get the real value of H, we use the trigonometric ratios. So we can use the mnemonic cha shota o. So going backwards, it will be opposite over adjacent gives you tan, opposite over hypotenuse gives you the sine, and the adjacent over hypotenuse gives you the cosine. So on triangle RCQ, we see that H is the opposite of the angle theta, and 3, which is the RQ, is our hypotenuse. So if we have the opposite H over 3, the hypotenuse, this is equal to sine of theta, which is equal to sine of 24.146848. So therefore, H is equal to 3 times sine of 24.1.46848, which is equal to we get the sine of 24.14, 24.146.848 equals to, this is 3 times 0.409 076 7044, which is equal to times 3 equals to 1.227230113 units. So now we've got the value of our height, and we've got our base is 2x, and we know that x has been given as the 2.4. So therefore, the area of triangle PQR is equal to half our base, and our base is 2 times 2.4 times our height, which is 1.227230113. So basically the 2 and that 2 cancel out, and then you just end up with 2.4 times that height. So this is equal to 2.4 times 1.227230113, and this is equal to 2.945352271 squared units. Then you can round off and say this is 2.94 squared units. And our solution is done. We have done both sub-question 1 and sub-question 2 of question B, and part 2 is done. We will come back and do part 3, which is the final part of the question, and our job will be done. Thank you.